Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you top 3 websites where you can get ExitLag promo codes. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application, and the first website is wethrift.com. So this is the website where you can get free promo codes. All you have to do is search for the promo code, just type in ExitLag, and the promo codes shown here will definitely work. The second website we have is Coupon Birds. At the search bar, simply type in ExitLag, and it will show you all the promo codes related with ExitLag. All you have to do is tap on to copy and copy the code. Now last but not the least, the third website is Worth the Penny. At the search bar, type in worththepenny.com and search for ExitLag. Once done, these are all the promo codes related with ExitLag. In order to use it, tap onto it. And now, this is how you can find working promo codes for ExitLag. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.